Hello everyone. Um, I've been promising to show you guys the way that I do my daily scripture journal, and I've been having migraines, and so I'm kind of sitting in my bedroom, and I was working on my daily scripture, and I thought I would just show you guys this because I've not been able to do it, and I thought since I was just sitting here, I would try to do this today. So kind of bear with me. Um, I have made just a really long um, charm here, and I really want to add some more things to it, but there's some butterflies and flowers and just some little charms that I've added, and I just kind of like playing with it. I think it's really pretty, and it just dangles. And here's a little heart. It says, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart," and that's Luke 10:27. And on the back it just says, "With all your heart." And this was actually a charm off of a necklace, and I just added it there. This is a pocket size fabric traveler's notebook, and I hope I'm not too close. I'm sitting on the bed using my phone, and as you can see, it is very, very chunky. I had this custom ordered from Freshly Stitched, just like my other one that I showed. I've made some dashboards. As you can see, that's just me and my husband. And all of the dashboards open at the top. And here's one. Sorry about the glare. And I can't remember the video that I've seen. Well, I've got it upside down, don't I? Yes, I do. But I don't know how to do this, but see, they're open at the top. So you can just change your dashboard in and out, which I really like that. And here is an insert right here, and it's just blank, and I make my own inserts. So you can use whatever paper you want. This is all Prima paper for the covers, and then I just used regular notebook paper. But this notebook paper was really, really thick. I had bought it at Walmart, and it was really thick paper, and I really liked it. Here is the insert that I'm working on right now. And here is the next one that I will work on, which I want to explain to you what I've done here to show you how easy it is. The one I'm going to show you real quick, I'm not done with, I'm halfway through. And this is just where I write my daily scripture. I write one scripture a day, and I use the Bible app, the YouVersion Bible app. So here you can see you can use washi tape, which right now I'm using washi tape, and I'm only using Illustrated Faith die cuts. But you can also use, like I've used book pages here, and coffee dyed paper, and design paper, and this is a sticker. You can use all different kinds of things to make it look pretty. And this was just some stuff that I had printed off of another kit. You can use anything you want. This is fabric washi that I purchased on Etsy, and I don't remember the shop. And it's really nice. I like this because it's thin. Really cute pages. And it's really pretty to just look at when you want to go back and read your scripture again. And who wouldn't you want to open this up every day and write your scripture out, or go back and read your scripture? And I think this is a perfect idea if you're wanting to do a certain study. I'm getting ready to do one of my inserts is going to be on forgiveness. And so all the scripture in there will be on forgiveness, and this is today's. So this was yesterday's, and this is today's. So what I do is I just, I will take, like this one here, I will just do my layout, and it'll match. And then I will do one, my writing for tomorrow would be on this page, and then the next day will be here. So even though this says bloom where you're planted, it might not have anything to do with my scripture, because we never know what the scripture is going to be, that comes up on our app. So I took another insert and just made it. And I took a kit from Nikki Drake. She is Crazy Simple Truth on Etsy. And I took one kit, and it is 2 pages. and I fussy cut around it, and all I used was her 2 pages and washi tape, and that's all I used, and I filled an entire insert up with her kit, and her kits are fairly cheap, they're very cheap, and so I wanted to show you how it looks like. I'm just using one of her kits and some washi. That's all I used. So if you don't have Illustrated Faith die cuts, you could purchase one of her kits or any kit online, if you have any. I like her kit. This is the watercolor kit, and it's flowers, which is my favorite. And so I just wanted to show you how simple it is. And I've already got this ready. So now for another whole month or longer, I'm not sure exactly how many this is. I think it's a month. I'm ready to write my daily scripture. And it's just so cute. And like I said, you can add more. You can add design paper and things. But if you want something simple and fast and this is really pretty, just take some washi and one of her kits, and you can fill up a whole insert. And I'm fumbling, I'm sorry. And there you go. And this, all I did was cut my paper down to size, and I stapled it. It's as simple as that. The only thing is you have to have a long reach stapler if you're gonna make one yourself. But it's that easy, guys. So if you're interested in how to make one in more detail as far as making the insert, let me know, and I will do a tutorial on showing you guys how to make one. But that's it. That's how I make that. So if you guys are interested, Nikki is in my featured channels. Sorry, I can't think. She's in my featured channel, so you can check her out and order that kit. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.